Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to get your cursor back on the screen. So, in case if your cursor isn't working, you can use trackpad instead, or just your keyboard if you feel uncomfortable with the trackpad. In case you want to use keyboard to get your cursor back, first press the Windows button, then tab, then use arrow keys to navigate to the settings menu and press enter to open it. Press tab once again and then use down arrow key to navigate to Bluetooth and devices section. Press enter to open it, then press tab 5 more times until you hit devices section. Use down arrow key to navigate down to touchpad, press enter, and now you can toggle your touchpad by pressing the spacebar. See if your touchpad started working, and if it didn't, then press Alt F4 combination of keys, then Windows, then search for Device Manager, press enter to open it, press tab, then use down arrow key to navigate to Human Interface Devices and use right arrow key to expand this section. Use down arrow key to navigate to I2C HID device and press enter to open it. Press tab several more times until you hit the General section right here, then use right arrow key to go to the Driver section and press tab 3 more times to select Uninstall device. Press enter and then enter again to confirm. Once the device is uninstalled, press Alt F4, then Alt F4 again, then use down arrow key to select restart and press enter and wait until your device is restarted. Once your device is restarted, sign in to your device and try to use your touchpad again, and at this point it should start working normally. If it didn't happen, then contact Dell customer support service and ask them for further troubleshooting, and if this doesn't help, then you'll probably have to either send your laptop to Dell repair center and let them take care of your hardware, or just head to the nearest repair center around you and also let them take care of your hardware, because this might be a hardware problem at this point. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.